This is question number 7 from the June 2016 Geometry Regents exam. This question is basically just testing to see if you understand how to tell if two right triangles are congruent. Let's go ahead and look at the first option. It says an acute angle in each triangle is congruent. So let's say, for example, we know that these two angles are identical to each other. Now what this proves is the angle-angle theorem. And that's actually not enough to prove congruency. It does prove similarity, but not congruency. So that one doesn't work. All right, how about option number 2? The lengths of the hypotenuses are equal. So if these are drawn, we know that our hypotenuses are the same length. Now that alone is not enough to prove congruency. You need more than that. If you had the length of the hypotenuses plus one leg, you'd be good. Or even if you had one angle and one hypotenuse length, then you'd be good. But in this case, it's not enough. Option number 3 says that the corresponding legs are congruent. So visually, that would look like this leg is the same as this leg, and these two legs are the same as well. So because this is an example of the side angle side theorem, we can conclude that these are definitely going to be congruent. So it's option number 3 is our correct answer. And if you're curious, option number 4 will not work, because if the two areas of these triangles are equal, that only proves the product of the base and the height or altitude are equal to each other if you multiply them. So it doesn't necessarily prove that they're congruent. Okay, so that is all for this video, and thanks for visiting JD's Regents Preparation.